Hi guys, welcome to my channel Pure Patterns. Today we are going to analyze the charts of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty for upcoming days as well as for tomorrow. So what you're seeing on your screen is chart of Nifty on the daily time frame. You can clearly see that Nifty has given a good rally, right? It has given a good rally on the upward from 15,200 to close to 17,900 now, right? 7,800 plus. So another 400 points, close to 3,000 points. But will it give that 300 points so that we are close to 3,000 points in this rally? That question needs to be answered. Make sure you watch the entire video and understand whether we are going to reach that 3,000 points rally in this Nifty. So what I can clearly see on the daily time frame is you can clearly see there's a supply zone. What is that supply zone? The supply zone is somewhere around 18,090 is the supply zone, and starting of this supply zone is 17,921. So clearly if we are heading towards this supply zone, there can be chances, most likely, that you can also see that RSI has shoot up to 82. So there is clearly somewhere Nifty has to stop or pause before it makes the further move. There is an expiry, that is Thursday, so 2 days of trading still left. So probably what I'm suspecting right now probably is, if we are heading towards this, probably there can be consolidation here before we make any up move or down move here. So there's a supply zone clearly, but if you see the price action, it is clearly the this trend is not as effective as this was. You can clearly see that there's a red candle and there's a green, red, and followed by red, green, and green. You can clearly see this rally was moving with a gap up, and the candle size and the volume was also very great. Here the volume itself is not convincing, though there are two volumes which have crossed this average volume, but these candles are not making that sense right now. So clearly it is a sign of price not able to move as fierce as it was moving maybe a week ago, or maybe in this rally. So clearly a sign of pause. So where it can pause, probably most of them are saying that this is the uh, zone where it can pause, but I suspect there's another 100 points which is left in Nifty, so that is due. So we are moving towards 17,920, or plus or minus 20 points, right? So we are clearly moving to that zone. Probably a neutral candle here, or maybe a red candle here, a solid red candle here can lead for a downfall till probably this point, and then we can make a further up move. So this is all a price action we only anticipate based on the levels what we have. Can also clearly see that there is a uh, sorry can clearly see, let me draw this clearly. This part can play very vital role whenever the price comes here, because that has not tested. So there's always a clear buying here which was seen. So that is for the near future, so we need not have to worry about that right now. So what we have to worry clearly is for this zone, so how it is behaving in this zone. So if there is any breakout, is there a possibility that we should take that? I don't think we should look for any breakouts, especially here, unless we break out of this all-time high. And that too when we have this consolidation period, and then this whatever breakouts you have would probably be all the fake outs, because it has unless there is a pause and there is a breakout. So currently I don't see any breakouts. Trading the breakout should not be the ideal thing to do, especially if you are a positional or a swing trader. Right now it's a time where the professionals are booking the long. Probably they'll try to book the long at 18,000. So 18,000 being round number, that can also act as a resistance. So probably if you have to consider a profit booking area, then you should consider as 17,920 to any price till 18,090 would be your profit booking zone if you are holding any longs. So clearly if you are looking somebody to short, probably that's not a wise decision to short right now, because there is no indication from the market that it is going to turn. However, there are signs that it could pause. So only when there is a clear signal from the market, like we have a clear bullish engulfing which is forming near the supply and followed up by a bearish candle, then that's the point where it's indicate that there can be some turnaround from the price from which it is moving down, right? So that's about Nifty as per the positions are concerned. So the positions are very clear. If I have to summarize, I'll tell we are going to liquidate our longs somewhere around 17,920 to 17,920. We are going to liquidate our positions from 17,020 till 18,090. So that's where we take that every opportunity to liquidate our longs or get out of from our longs. That's a time to book. Even, or if you are somebody who wants to trail, that's a time you have to trail your stop loss accordingly. Coming to your short, there's no clear sign as of now. RSI has definitely overshoot to 80 levels, so probably that's a time for cool down. So probably market might take a pause here rather than looking for short opportunities. Just wait until the market gives a clear signal. That's as far as Nifty is concerned. Let's go to the 15-minute chart and analyze what is there for tomorrow, that is on Wednesday. So you can clearly see that today market has been played around the range, okay, from opening range, and it was just able to trade within this opening range. If I had to put it in a 1 hour chart, it barely moved from 1 hour high to low. So probably what I'm thinking right now is if market is able to trade, this is definitely an intraday, so I'm not recommending this for positional. So these are the levels which I'm looking at on the intraday. Range breakout only on the intraday basis. If market is in a early, if looking at the SGX Nifty, if nothing changes till the morning, so I am anticipating a flat opening in the tomorrow's trading session. So if market somewhere opens here or close to this, and if it tries to consolidate this, then probably that's not the time with as an option buyer you should participate in this, maybe after 12. So if there is some breakout, or if there is a range again formed within this, and this range is broken, then we would try to capture or scalp for the target of 17,920. we should not look beyond that as an option buyer, or if you are holding as a seller as well, because you should not be shorting any puts after this. There are chances that market might reverse. Whereas in case of if we are willing to uh, short it, so this would be the level. If we are able to break this level, and this would be our target, first target. So definitely you cannot directly go in short whenever the price starts, because the same thing happened here as well, right? It was at the day slow. People would have thought that it would, after this we would short, but market took a u-turn and went up. So clearly, whenever there's we should look for the confirmation, like when there is like for an inside bar, or there's a small candle, after that followed up by a very uh, good red candle backed up with an volume, then definitely we should go for short, and we should do a scalp. Apart from that, I don't see any opportunities right now in Nifty. It's totally a range bound. I'm anticipating, I don't expect any further up move. Down move also is there, but currently it is there are no signs, so probably we should wait for the confirmation. So that's all, guys. Keep subscribing to my channel for the latest analysis of the Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you find this content is worth, make sure to subscribe, like, and click on the notification button for the latest notifications on the videos which I post on channel. That being said, let's wind up this video for this session. See you in another interesting analysis in another video. See you. Happy trading. Bye bye.